Today on Motive Learn, we are stepping into the career ring where change is the constant and you're the main event. Want to level up in the professional game? Let's embark on this journey together. Imagine surfing on dynamic waves, except these waves are tech trends and industry shifts. Staying ahead means adapting and learning continuously. It's about embracing change, whether it's new software, work methodologies, or career paths. See how top professionals keep their skills sharp and ride the wave of progress. Mastering communication. Communication is your bridge to success. It's pitching your million-dollar idea, leading your team to victory, or just making sure your message resonates. We'll break down the art of communication, showing you how to command attention, persuade, and connect deeply in any situation. Watch real-life wizards of words weave their magic, navigating the digital landscape. In today's world, being tech illiterate is like bringing a knife to a gunfight. We'll dive into the essentials of digital literacy, from coding basics to leveraging the latest digital tools and platforms. Follow us for quick tutorials and insights that turn you into the tech-savvy professional everyone relies on. Emotional intelligence in the modern workplace. In an era where AI and robots are on the rise, your emotional intelligence is your unbeatable edge. We explore the power of empathy, understanding, and connection. See how mastering your emotions can lead to better leadership, teamwork, and professional relationships that go beyond the surface. The art of networking. Imagine your career as a multiplayer game where networking is key to unlocking new levels. It's about creating meaningful connections, finding mentors, and building a community that supports your growth. We'll show you how to network effectively, making every connection count towards your journey to the top. Balancing work and life, striking the perfect balance between your professional aspirations and personal life is crucial. Learn strategies from those who've mastered this balance, ensuring you thrive in both arenas without burning out. Real-life examples and tips await to guide you through the challenging times. Future-proofing. Your career, what does the future hold for the modern professional? We delve into emerging trends, skills, and mindsets that will keep you ahead of the curve. Future-proof your career by staying informed, adaptable, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. As the city lights flicker and the skyline stretches out before you, remember that the path you forge from here is filled with endless possibilities, armed with adaptability, stellar communication, tech savviness, emotional intelligence, and a strong network. You're not just facing the future, you're shaping it. Dive in, level up, and transform your career dreams into reality. Head over to our Motive Learn website for the free detailed article that complements this video. Go ahead, what are you waiting for? Let us know in the comments what you think are some important career steps to follow. We love hearing from you, so join the Motive Learn community for active discussion. See you in the comments section.